everybody. It's us here. We're just going to have a quick chat with you about some of the products that we've put together in these mask knee kits, because we really love them and we just wanted to share our thoughts and how we use them. Okay, ladies, should we move on to the next kit, which is our anti-aging mask knee kit? So the difference with this kit is we still have the Jumeau, but this time it is the anti-aging Jumeau, which has the purple lid. We use that in the same way. So we're going to use around a pea size onto the fingertips, and then we're going to use that on a cleansed skin, just emulsify it with a bit of water. So you need to remove your makeup before you cleanse with this. So I don't know about you, Jemima, I generally use my Jumeau in the morning. And what I do, I'm going to take a little bit of the product around a pea size and I'm going to emulsify it with a bit of water, and you get that beautiful silky feel to it. And then just massage that over the skin.
All right, so the next mask that we have in that anti-mask knee kit for adult skin is the collagen face film sheet. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to show it to you. Normally, it's the mask that is only used by beauty therapists, but we decided to add that mask into those packs because it's absolutely amazing. It will give you that deep hydration. It will plump the skin. It also has cooling and tightening effect on the skin, so it's good for everyone. And I always say it's your absolutely luxurious treatment. After that mask, you'll feel like, honestly, your wrinkles will be all plumped up and you feel like a porcelain doll. So you open that pack up because it comes in 2 pieces. So I'm just gonna put
for the top and the bottom half of your face there, and it's all sort of protected up in plastic, isn't it?
So one goes around my lips.
What I like to do with this, if you've got puffiness on the skin, is you can put this in the fridge, can't you, and cool it down so it goes on really nice and cool. Beautiful. It feels so refreshing. Beautiful around the eyes. Really rehydrates. How long do we leave that on for, Lydia?
So you can leave it on as little as 10 minutes, and then you can leave it for up to 30 minutes, I'd say. And there'll be a lot of residue of luxurious collagen in your pack. So you want to get it out of that pack and maybe, apply it on your neck, on your décolletage area. So there'll be plenty of that. I
like to do it on my lips as well. It really plumps your lips and hydrates your lips.
Absolutely.
But it's handy as well, like the cream masks, because you can actually walk around, you can have it on your face and be walking around the house with it on. You don't have to be laying down, although you could be.
Best if you do lay down, so that's, you take your time for yourself, you just rest, but you can apply it on and keep on working in front of your computer.
When you take it off, Lydia, you massage the rest in, don't you?
Yes, absolutely. I don't want to take it off now. I just want
to.
I look great, huh? Imagine showing up onto one of your Zoom calls with your colleagues wearing that.
Really, it doesn't really look like you've got anything on.
Maybe our next staff meeting with Frank, we should all be wearing one.
Absolutely.
We'll do the synchro now because you want to keep that working, don't you?
Absolutely.
It's not coming off. So synchro, Danny, do you have synchro there with you? I've got some here.
I don't know.
You're scooping out, it's a pea size. I probably use a bit more than a pea size, truth be known, but a pea size of cream onto the fingertips. And the trick is to always just give it a bit of a warm up so that your clients will have the cream onto their hands and then pat it everywhere into the skin. Deliver it everywhere, onto the neck, down to the décolletage, and then you can just go back and gently rub it in. Now, synchro, what was that, Danny?
Yeah, no, we can pop that around the eyes, can't we?
Yeah, right over the eyelids, really close in underneath. It's really great for all my little wrinkles around, who am I kidding? For my wrinkles around the eyes. And it's like having, for those of you that don't know Synchro is, think of the food pyramid in the nutrition world, all the good amino acids and the carbs and the good fats. This is what Synchro is. Synchro is like a multivitamin with all the right minerals, everything going into the skin. So consider irritation from masks, any sort of congestion pop-ups. Synchro will actually nourish and feed and help just soothe and calm the skin, all the while working just to push the skin up to the surface so it's really healthy and strong. So perfect for any skin type. For those that don't necessarily like a super thick, heavy cream, they might find it's a little bit much, but the secret is using a tiny amount, really warming it up and patting it onto the face and then rubbing it in everywhere.
Yeah, and we can use that morning and we can use it evening as well. And if you haven't tried Synchro, it really is in that pack, just give it a go, because once clients get on this, it's very difficult to get them off it. Even Lydia will tell us that our diehard Nimue.
Oh, it's Lydia. Have we converted Lydia?
Yeah.
Absolutely. I love Synchro, and I always say it's like your supplement for your skin. It's something extra. I use my Nimue, but if I want to do something extra, I love putting that Synchro on and
With
massage.
the stress levels, the irritation, the issues with barrier function at the moment with these lockdowns, Synchro really is a product that everyone should be using, just to add that extra nutrition to the skin, reduce that inflammation and sensitivity.
Yeah.
And once clients are on it, they can rebuy it. And I use this in conjunction with my Nimue. You can use the two together. Don't think that it's going to replace it. You can put your Nimue Fader cream over this during the day. I put Nimue Fader underneath it at night, so I swap it around, but they definitely complement each other. So don't feel you've got to pick one over the other.
But how lucky are we to have all three ranges, the Zumo, Nimue and Genetic, and being able to pick out what we know will work for the conditions that our clients' skins are seeing at this time. And as we know, but our salon owners can comfortably know that we've chosen the perfect ones to help them to help their clients during this time.
And so it's a really great price as well. It is a really good opportunity. We've really, as we said, we've handpicked these products to be perfect to treat the skin at the moment. So you've got two packs there. You've got the youth or the breakout clients or sensitivity, and then we've got this one here for clients concerned with aging. And what a treat to be able to have that collagen sheet at home, because that's salon only normally.
So how does it look like when it comes off, Lydia? How does it?
Well, you take it off and you look 10 years younger, obviously.
Send me some.
Yeah, very easy to remove, and my skin still, I can feel a lot of collagen on top of it, so I can just massage it over.
And then put some Synchro on top of that.
Yeah, put some Synchro on that.
Follow with our beautiful Synchro cream. Once we've applied our Synchro cream, especially during the day, we've got the SPF Nimue 50 in this pack.
It says mattifying sunscreen, which I absolutely love, because having an oily skin, I hate it. I have to admit, wearing SPF sunscreens, because otherwise my skin would look really oily and I just wouldn't go for it. But with this mattifying SPF 50 plus, I apply it on. It's very, very light. It's not going to look on your skin as a white mask. It just goes into the skin and it just stays there for an ultimate protection, and my skin doesn't go shiny or oily or anything, so I love that about it. But it's also UVA UVB protection, so it's like a double protection, and it has vitamin E in there, and I always say it's like your sunscreen plus anti-aging moisturizer.
And that SPF 50 over the top of the Synchro is fantastic during the day, because it really leaves the skin nice and matte. And if you do want to wear makeup over the top of that, it gives a perfect makeup base as well. So the Synchro with the SPF together work really, really well.
Yeah.
Well, wish you all the best of luck with those. Really give them a try, and we'd love to hear your feedback on those of you that get to try them. We really do love all the products that are in there.
And it's the first time we've ever done the mix of three, and it's for really good reason. So don't be afraid. If you haven't tried some of the things yourself, let us know. We'll send you a sample, and then you know how to actually teach your clients how to do it ongoing at home.
As always, any questions, you can contact any of us or all of us.
Yeah, beautiful. That feels great. Thanks, girls.